Hello, thank you for joining my PowerPoint class. My name is Dr. Stephen Nyangwe. We are going to tackle PowerPoint as our lesson today. Microsoft PowerPoint introduction will give you knowledge, skills, and practical use for their day-to-day work. The introductory or rather introduction level will cover how to create PowerPoint presentation using slides, format text, insert graphical objects, add tables and charts, add slide transition, animate text and images. And at the end of this lesson, you will be able to create a presentation, work with slides, use PowerPoint view, use drawing object and smart art, create charts, use animations and screenshot, print slideshow, using slide masters and templates, using presenter view, saving the presentation, and also sharing the presentation. Now, let us launch our Microsoft Office PowerPoint. We are going to use Microsoft PowerPoint 2016, and as you can see, our PowerPoint 2016 has got already PowerPoint 2016 has got the 80 default themes which we can choose from. These are the themes which we can choose from, but for our case we are going to use the blank presentation here. Let us click this blank presentation, and now this is our report. Right from our left top corner we have file. This file will be helping us to go to new presentation, new PowerPoint presentation, open previous or recent presentation, save the presentation. We save as in our directory presentation, we print the presentation, we share or export and close. Then we have home where you can get new slides and we can get some of the fonts and paragraphs. We have insert. This insert will also assist us to insert tables, insert images, shapes, insert shapes. We can also use insert smart art, insert charts, insert comment, text, symbol, and media. Design. This one's design here is for the themes, and we are going to pick one. We are going to pick one theme here. Let's check on this. After we have picked that theme, it means that we are going to use it throughout our slides. Our slide 1, slide 2 will also depict this. For example, if I right click on my left panel, slide 1, and then say new slide, I'll add another slide of the same. And if I want to delete it, I right click the same and say delete slide. Now let us go to working with the real objects here. While using the slides, you are advisable to balance everything into accordance on how a reader or an audience can be seeing them straight and not that one which can interrupt the reader when he's choosing the background and also choosing the font color. Now we click here to add a title. Our title today will be Microsoft PowerPoint. That is our title. Now we are not limited not to use our own fonts. Like here we can go to font type, choose into that, and also we can align it in a good way so that it can fit well into our slides like that. And again, we're not limited to use a font color of our choice. We can also depict that and use the font color. But remember, whenever you are choosing a color, make sure that the color is visible through the background. From there, we can come here and add a subtitle. Our subtitle here will be Introduction to PowerPoint. Good. Introduction to PowerPoint. So this one here will be our subtitle. We will also use the same to either change the font color and also change the font size, as well as font color. Now we use this one here to align it well into our font. If it is not clear, we can reduce the font so that it appears correctly the way we want it to. Okay, like that. Now we can give it a font type, a font color of white. White font color. What font color? Yes, this one here. Exactly. After this, okay, it has not picked it. After this, we are okay. After this, we have to balance it well so that the slide is well utilized and in a good view, like that. Then we have here what we call transition. Transition will help us to get on how the slides will be happening. Like we want to check on this one here, push up. That is how our transition will be expressed. And from then, we will also look into the animation. Animation, this is how the content will be displayed on that slide. For instance, here we go to animation, then add animation of ours. Okay, let us check here. Let us float in this code. That is a transition number 1. Remember, our transition are not active until the content is being selected. When we click outside here, this animation is not active. When we click on this, it becomes active, and you can choose from the cell, like this of the screen. For now, let us stop there so that we can continue from there when we resume this class. Otherwise, I will urge you to pay attention on each and every stage and every step which we are taking into this lesson. Thank you very much for being attentive. Let us continue exactly after a few minutes.